Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video where I have 6 saving challenges and $50 here. And this goes towards my revolving sinking funds. So what I try to do, or the goal is to complete as many saving challenges as I can for the entire month, and at the end of the month I will reallocate that those completed challenges to my revolving sinking funds. So let's get started. I'm going to put my two $5 bills, which is my savings boost, in shuffled in there. I'm going to roll my 6-sided die here to help me determine which two bills will go to what saving challenge. So we have 6 here. So that's 2 bills, 4, 2, 2. These ones are kind of crummy here. I got my husband gave me a bunch of ones, and I'm like, oh my goodness, where did you get these ones from? Oops, that goes to 5. See, here I go talking and messing up. 5, 3, 4, 6, 5, 3. There we go. 1, 6, 2. Oh, 2 is getting all the money today. 1, 2, 1. And the last 2 bills go to 2. Dang, 2. All right, let's stack this up, and then we will go through each challenge and see how much it got. So the first one is this mini challenge says $32, and this is created by Mystic Budgets, and I believe I got this in a order. And it got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6. So $6. So let's do 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, let's do it like that. Perfect. And Jones, I'm telling you, this really where did I want to put this? These mini challenges, saving challenges, really adds up, I'm telling you. So this one is created by Budget with Carly, says $32. Each cloud I made $2. And today got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2, 4, and 6. And we need 2, 4, 6, 8 more dollars. And so far, this one got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24. All right, get in there. All right, next we have, this is created by Stuff in the Budget. I got this in a Etsy order, says $35. It's so cute. And it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6. So let's go ahead and just cross off this 6 here on the little school bus. Oh my goodness, they already got all the like back to school things out. I'm like, was getting sad because I have a college student and a senior in high school. Like, oh, the babies are going up. All right, so this is created by Budget with Carly, says $50. And today, this is the one that got all the money. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I think. So today got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. Are we going to finish this? Hold on. Hold on. Change is coming. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And let's see, we should have $50. Oh goodness, all these ones. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Yes, $50. If I can reach your paper clip. All right, so that is $50 completed. All right. And I'm just going to put this $3 here. So we see where we're going to put that. So this one is created by Budget with Carly. And I'll just put that right there. And I don't know. How much should I make each flower? 1, 2, 3, 4. Should I make each one $1? Let's make each one $1. And today I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do it like that. Perfect. And then this one is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. Oh, he looks so sad in the rain. Each raindrop is $1 for $18. And today got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. Wow, that's half of the challenge already. So $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. That is so cute. All right, so we have $3. Where are we gonna put this $3? Should I put? Let's put 2 here. So let's put 2 here. I really need to condense this so we can cross out another cloud. And then we put the $1 over here in Mystic Budgets Challenge. And we'll put that $1 here. All right, and let's go ahead and color in $1. Perfect. All right, gems. That is $50 put in my mini savings. We did complete a big one, a $50 one. Yay, yay, yay. So I will put that in my completed challenge pouch. And then we'll calculate at the end of the month how much was saved for the month of July. So thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.